In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to candlesticks in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to customize your charts to display the information you need is essential. Candlestick charts are a popular choice among traders because they provide a wealth of information about price action through visual patterns. Let's dive in and walk through the steps you'll need to follow to set up candlestick charts in Tradingview. First, open up your web browser and head over to Tradingview's website. Tradingview is a widely used platform that offers a variety of tools for traders to analyze financial markets. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to look for the Super Charts option. This is where you'll find your detailed charting tools. Clicking on Super Charts will take you to the interactive chart section that offers a wide range of options for viewing financial data. Once you're in Super Charts, you'll want to navigate to the Candles option. This is typically featured on the chart interface and is crucial for accessing different chart styles. Switching to candlesticks offers a clear view of open, high, low, and closing prices within a given time frame, allowing you to readily analyze market trends. Now that you're in the Candles section, you have the freedom to choose from a variety of candle styles for your chart. Tradingview provides several options beyond standard candlesticks, including bar charts, hollow candles, Heikin-Ashi, and others. Each style offers unique insights, so feel free to explore and select the type that best suits your trading strategy and visual preferences. After you've explored the different styles, select your preferred candle style. Focus on a style that aligns with your analytical needs and makes interpreting the data intuitive for you. Keep in mind that different styles might highlight different aspects of market behavior, so choosing the right one is an important part of tailoring your trading experience on Tradingview. In addition to candle styles, you can also customize other chart elements like lines and areas. Opting between a line chart or an area chart can be beneficial depending on what aspects of market data you want to emphasize. Consider your trading goals and the technical analysis you're performing when deciding on these additional visuals. Tradingview allows you to mix and match styles to create the perfect chart setup that meets your trading style. And there you have it, a simple guide to switching to candlestick charts in Tradingview. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize your trading dashboard to better interpret market data and make informed trading decisions. Remember, the key to effective trading is being comfortable with your tools, so take the time to adjust your settings in a way that supports your strategy. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.